Welcome to Annelids! As you can see, the segmented worm is moving across the board. These segmented worms are also known as oligochaetes, have reduced heads and chaetae, but they don't have parapodia. An example of oligochaetes are earthworms. Oligochaetes live in fresh water, in marines, or in terrestrial environments. And the next group we'd like to talk about in annelids are...
Polychaetes are mostly marine segmented worms, and they have well-developed heads. Each segment has parapodia with lots of chaetae. Polychaetes are either tube-dwelling or free-living.
Bum bum bum!
Leeches live in fresh water. They have flattened bodies with reduced coelom and segmentation. They are predators, and some are parasites that suck blood.
Now let's move on to structure!
The mouth and the anus are connected by an intestine that travels throughout the whole body. The clitellum is used for reproduction. The chaetae are used for burrowing. And segments divide up the whole body. Now we're zooming in.
Coeloms are body cavities.
Septa are the partitions between fragments.
The outside is covered by a cuticle with an epidermis underneath it. Circular muscle and longitudinal muscle are coordinated in contraction to move the worm along.
Chaetae are bristles that provide traction for burrowing.
The intestine, vessels, and nerve cords travel throughout each segment.
Nephrostomes are ciliated funnel-shaped openings of metanephridiums, which are excretory tubes that remove waste from blood and body fluid, cavity fluid.
The intestine travels from the mouth and anus and includes the mouth, pharynx, esophagus, crop, and gizzard.
The circulatory system is closed in the dorsal vessel, and the first 5 vessels pump blood through the circulatory system.
Yeah, can't see it.
The cerebral ganglia are brain-like nerves.
Reproduction!
Hello, Sammy.
The clitellum is a reproductive organ.
They reproduce by lining themselves in opposite directions, and then they exchange sperm and separate. And the received sperm are stored temporarily in clitellum. Then the clitellum secretes a cocoon, and the cocoon slides along the worm, picking up the eggs and the stored sperm. The cocoon then slips off the worm's head and remains in the soil while the embryos develop. Some earthworms can also reproduce asexually by fragmentation followed by regeneration.
Welcome to planet Earth!